you go. Perfect. That moved really well. Perfect. Blow out.
Okay.
All right, I'll have you lay on your back.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Oops. Here we go.
And then we're going to put this foot on this knee. Just check your hips.
Okay.
And that's about it, right, for that hip? That's the range?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just try to work that hip joint.
So it's a little stiff, is what you're saying.
Little stiff, little stiff. Not like an eminent hip replacement, but a little restricted. And so we want to be ahead of that and not have it be like, okay, now we're looking at procedures.
Right. Right. That's why I like coming here. I'm taking care of.
Well, you're wellness minded, so it's a good fit. You don't want to be. Tell me when you get a moderate stretch and not painful.
That's definitely a good stretch.
I'll hold it right there.
Okay.
So we'll hold it like 20 seconds or so.
So I could do this at home.
Kind of. What I'm doing is I'm stretching into the joint because I start with a traction and a turn, so I'm getting the joint capsule
Okay.
deep inside the joint. When you stretch, you're not getting that. You're getting the muscle.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we're going to retest it. And so you can see how that dropped better, you know, like that much farther.
Oh, that much?
Yeah, and it's because the joint capsule got stretched. So we're going to check this side too.
Okay.
Drop it. Drop that down. Okay, so that's our starting point. We're going to stretch. So I traction the femur,
Okay.
and we turn, and that stretches deep into the joint capsule.
Okay. I'm glad I took health classes way back in college, so I can follow what you're saying.
Yes, you got a little background.
Yeah, I do.
All right, so I traction first,
Okay.
and then I turn
Okay.
until we get a moderate stretch. I don't want to hurt you.
No, doesn't hurt. I can feel the stretch.
Okay, are we
Feels
good about
good.
right there?
Yeah, you can try a little bit more. If you
Okay,
want to.
great.
Yeah. That's
Still okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to hold you right there. That seems plenty.
Yeah. Okay. It's good.
I want to keep you agile on the pickleball court here,
That's
so
what I want. Yes. Thank you. I do enjoy that game.
you like to compete.
I do.
We don't want to lose your edge.
Don't. That's for sure.
All right, let's retest it.
Okay.
Drop it down. Good, again, we gained some ground on it. Just better range of motion now.
Oh, good.
All right, we'll check out the neck now.
So I can do that at home if I remember. Just
Yeah, so
stretch.
it's a little different stretch, but it's worth doing. You can just drop that hip down this way
Oh, okay.
and start stretching it.
Okay. Thank you. I do remember.
Yeah.
You make my memory back.
We're going to go right here. And then do you feel it right about there?
Yeah, there's a little warm spot, or
Yeah.
tender spot, yeah.
I think I have to lift your head up slightly more because you know
Okay.
how your neck can be tricky. No offense, but
That's what it is.
it can be a little tricky.
Well, that's why I like coming here, because you know how to handle tricky. And I'm sure that's really a challenge sometimes.
All right, so we're going to get you right there.
Okay.
Relax.
Tampa visiting my daughter. I think I'll have to ask him when he comes over.
There you go. Perfect.
You've done good.
All right, let's check this side. Right there. Relax. Perfect. Good job. Now go to your tummy, please. All right, I'm going to ask you. So like your left leg is a little short relative to the right one.
Really?
Yep, so lift your right leg up as high in the air as you can. Now compare it to your left one. Okay. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to adjust that left SI joint, sacroiliac joint. So lay on your right side and face me.
Okay.
Be a little picky.
Okay.
Make sure we get you right.
There you go.
That moved really well, but go face down. I want to see something change, not just made a cool noise, okay? We want to see
Okay.
we want to see that we lined you up better.
I'm just laughing. I'm enjoying it. Put it that way. Okay. This way.
All right, legs down.
Okay.
Yeah, so that lined up your leg length, okay? But now lift your right leg up as high as you can. And now the left one as high as you can. Good. So it actually increased your motion, it lined you up, and that was what I wanted.
Me too.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to have you sit on the end of the bench so I can adjust that spot there. And this adjustment will, you know what I'm doing. We're going to cross those arms in front of you. Chin stays tucked. And I'm going to adjust you right there. Breathe in. Blow out. You did great. As always, you didn't fight me.